Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I am making a scrapbook layout each day and they are all Christmas themed. Today I'm starting off with an Allison Davis sketch, and it is a one-page sketch with 3 photos. This is the orientation of the original sketch, but I am going to turn it on its side. So my layout will be based on a twisted sketch, if you will. These are the things that I have pulled out. I have a piece of black cardstock as just a random piece. I don't know. I think it is close to my heart. I don't know for certain though, because it's just shoved down in my color drawer. Then I have a piece of Felicity Jane, this red and white gingham. And then I have the sheet from the introduction sheet from the Felicity Jane December or Christmas kit, the Cocoa kit, and I plan to use this portion of it. I don't know how I'm going to make those houses work on the side, but I'm going to figure it out somehow or another. Anywho, these are my photos of my Auntie Garner and my youngest granddaughter, Ellie. So there's 3 of those. And then I have a couple of snow globes here. This is one from that, this is from the Snow and Cocoa whatever collection that was, and then this is the little one from Paper Studio, maybe. Yeah, with just a little reindeer on it. Super cute. Title is just Family Time. I did pull out a piece of this ribbon that is it is adhesive backed, but it has gold dots on it. And then I pulled out tons of little random embellishments. I pulled out my Cocoa. I pulled out this image wreath, and I pulled out one of the little 2x2 pocket page cards to go behind, so that it's going to look something like that as a cluster. I had these leftover inner circles left, and I'm going to use that somehow. I have tags, I have a Christmas tree, I have a floral arrangement, another 2x2 square, another gold inner circle from one of the embellishments that I had previously used, and lots of gold stars, and there's another ticket tag. So that's where I'm starting with. I will give you a close-up of the photo, so stay tuned, and I will be back with my finished layout in just a few minutes. Okay friends, I'm done with another layout. I'll show you what I have left over. I have those 2 little snow globes left. They just didn't fit the feel of the layout. I have lots of scraps. I have a portion of the pattern paper, the cutoff strip, and then about a little, maybe a little over half of that. And these 2 are also from that same sheet. So all of this will go into my stash. Again, the layout, and you can see this is the original layout, and I decided to turn it on its side, creating a cluster here and a cluster here. And I did go heavy with the circles, the same as here. I cut my photos a little bit differently and did a few different things. So here's the layout as it is. I have my primary cluster here with my title right below that, my secondary cluster here with my journaling here, and then I have the date on this one. I'll get a little bit closer up so you can see. I did use that wreath with the little bird 2x2 behind it. I used my Cocoa here. I added in a flare that I didn't originally have. I added in some circles from additional circles. This one and like these white ones, and this one and the gold one. Here I added this one, again the white one, again these 2 here, and then I added in lots of sequins. Otherwise, everything is what I pulled out from my kit. I used that one piece of washi tape, washi ribbon that I had there, and yeah, I really like how this turned out. I cut down the photos. They are 5 by 3 3/4. I also added this. This is a little cut off piece that I had in my stash. I had cut it off from something, I don't remember what, but I had like 4 pieces. One of them's popped off down into here somewhere now. They pop off. Oh, here it is. Well, maybe if I can get it now. I've had these left over from a different project, maybe making tags or something, and I just left them stuck here to the side of my bin, and they were too cute to throw away, so I kept them. They were part of an embellishment sticker that went across some craft and red paper with a border of gold, and I kept those, and yeah, there they are. I'm glad to be able to use one. So even though it doesn't look like there's any correlation with it, I think the floral, it brings this floral image from here to here to here. I hope that makes sense in how I'm thinking, because I didn't take into account these florals here. I felt like those were just a design element and not part of a cluster, if you will. So I'll take some close-up photos and post them here on the end of the video, and I hope this inspires you to get into your stash and create something really fun and unique, something for yourself or something maybe as a gift for someone else. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure stay tuned for the close-ups. See you next time. Bye-bye.